Hi friends, this video shows how to transfer files using wireless debugging. First let me go to TV. Here go to settings, go to system, go to about, go down, set Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Done. Then go back. Now under system you can find developer options. Now I have enabled developer options. Go to developer options, go down, go to this debugging section. Here enable wireless debugging. Enable it. Then go to pair device with the pairing code. Select this option. Here on the TV you can see a pairing code, then IP address and port. Please note that. Then we need to connect both the TV and laptop to same Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot. Then go to laptop. We need to install this software ADB. You can download from internet and install it. I already installed. Then from this path we need to run command prompt. I already opened this command prompt here. Here we can run commands. So these are the two commands we need to execute first. We need to pair, then connect. In these two commands we need to mention IP address and port mentioned over here on the TV screen. The same IP address and port we need to use here. I already paired and connected. So let me execute the command. See, these are the commands to transfer files. First I am going to transfer one file from laptop to Google TV streamer. This is the image I am going to transfer. You can see that image here. This is the image I am going to use. Before I transfer, in TV let me go to apps, open this file manager app. Here go to internal shared storage, go down. When I transfer that image will come here. Okay, so let me transfer. Copy this command, paste here, execute. Done, copied. So let me refresh. And here you can see the image. So this way we can transfer. Next I am going to transfer one image from TV or Google TV streamer to laptop. So I am going to transfer this same image. This is a command. From Google TV streamer, I am going to copy that image of the dog and paste in this F drive test folder. This is a F drive test folder. I am going to paste here. Copy this command, paste here, enter. Done. Then let me go to F drive. See, here you can see that image. This way we can transfer files via wireless debugging. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.